Good morning, dear hearts. We're at lesson 176 in our review. And God is but love, and therefore so am I, and so are you, and so is everyone else that we see, which leads us to our first review lesson that says, "Give me your blessing, Holy Son of God, Holy Child of God, give me your blessing." What is the blessing that I am seeking from another brother? What am I seeking from another child of God, another part of the sonship? All that I want, what the blessing is give me your open mind. Give me your attention, your love, free of judgment, free of any condition. Give me the awareness of oneness that we have together. Let me know that in you is my reflection and yours is in mine. Let me know in your blessing to me that we are one and we have never been apart. We have always been that. In your blessing to me, I see that. You know, in this world, when someone sneezes, we say, "God bless you." I say, "God blesses you," because it's right here and right now. God blesses you, and I ask that you bless me as well. Give me your blessing, Holy Child of God, because God is but love, and therefore so am I. And the second lesson that we review is one that is familiar and loved and a giant stride for us, that I am as God created me. And in this world, because this is a world of duality, it's very often helpful to see what we are not before we see what we are. There's, the story of Michelangelo when he was carving the David, and what he said he did was he removed all the parts that were not meant to be there. Okay, he removed the extraneousness. He removed what was not needed. So for me, perhaps I need to remove what I am not, so that I can know what I am, that I am as God created me. So let me remove from my thoughts the ideas that I could be limited, that I could be unloved, that I could be helpless in this world, that I could be a victim of anywhere or anyone or anything. Let me remove all of those thoughts. Let me know what I am not. I am not angry. I am not loveless. I am not fearful. Let me know what I am not. So in place of that, I can put in what I am. And most important of all, let me know that I am not a body. And when I remove all of that, what is left? What is left but the blessings? Give me your blessings, Holy Son of God. Give me the blessing of unconditional and unlimited love. Give me the blessing of communion. Give me the blessing of oneness. Give me the blessing of great unity and seeing the blessing in everyone and everything. Let me know I am as God created me, and my life is filled with blessings because I am an extension. We are an extension of the great one-mindedness of love. Our source is love. We cannot be apart from that ever. So that's it for today. I hope this helped. I hope you're having a lovely day, a beautiful day. Please join me tomorrow. And in the meantime, please like and share and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and comment. And I will see you here tomorrow. Namaste. We are one.